Today we will make keto almond flour and cinnamon muffins. Let's go! Pour 1.5 cups almond flour into a large bowl. Add 1 tablespoon baking powder to the almond flour. Now add 1 tablespoon cinnamon to your dry mix. Mix the dry mix thoroughly. Now add 3 eggs to your mixing bowl because we are going to start our wet mix for these muffins. Start beating the eggs with your mixer. Add 2 tablespoons butter to your wet mix. Now add 1.5 cups erythritol sugar substitute to your wet mix. Add 1 tablespoon heavy whipping cream. Next add a 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. Now add a 1/4 teaspoon liquid stevia for added sweetness. Add 1 more teaspoon of cinnamon to the wet mix. Now add the dry mix to your wet mix to form the batter for your muffins. Mix your batter on high setting for 3 to 5 minutes. Start distributing the batter to your silicone muffin cups. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell icons below this video, my friends. Thank you very much. Yeah, delish. Place muffins in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Yeah, you go, stud. 20 minutes later. That's what I'm talking about. Delish, yum yum. Great breakfast treat for the family. Absolutely yum. Coffee donations are always appreciated. They keep me jacked up for the next video, my friends. Check out my merchandise, www.claysketocuisine.com. Keto for the win every day, yeah. See you at the next video, my friends.